Hey everybody, so we'll just wait until we got a few people on. Um, um, there we go. Okay. Also, we'll just wait until got people on. Okay, great. Okay, there's people tuning in now. Let me just add this guy in to the group. Hey everybody, how is everybody? Let me know in the comments if you're doing good and where you are right now. I'm in Brisbane, as most of you know. The new people who have just joined Bitcoin Ascension, welcome to the group. As people are just tuning in, we'll wait until Ivan's in again, and then we'll get cracking. Okay, so alright guys, I see Ivan has came in, so let's start this video. Okay guys, so in the post, make sure you have seen the post that I put on. So that's obviously in this post, so you'll be able to see it either now or after this video. Make sure you read all of it. Click on the YouTube link. There is a script there. It's quite basic to bring people into the Bitcoin Ascension, especially when you're giving away $500. Okay guys, now I am wondering, so you guys let me know in the comments, I am wondering if I should split the $500, maybe do $100 with 5 winners, or do it as one winner with the $500. So let me know in the comments which one you think I should do, and that will help me out. Should I give it away to 5 winners, or should I give it away to 1 winner? What do you want me to do? Let me know in the comments. People think split it 1 times 5. What do you think, Ivan? $300, $100. Yeah. See, I think that's a better way. It's more of people. What's the word? People will focus on the $300 instead of the $100. Make them work for it. Good idea, Ivan. I totally agree. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 3 winners. Okay, so the first one is $300, the second one is $100, and the third one is $100. Okay, so we'll have 3 winners, and I'll do a video on that. Okay, after the giveaway, so it is on the link. So make sure you go check it out, guys. It's all in this post. Okay, so if you got any questions, let me know, either in a PM or comments. It's okay, I can answer quite a few comments now. Let's see. Yeah, good incentive for a winner, but still a chance. Exactly, Mark. I can barely hear you. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me? Let me know. Let me know if you can hear me. If not, better louder. Pig face. Ah. Okay, you can hear me, that's good. Okay, so I'll just talk like this. I can't talk too loud, it's 2 AM here. But anyway, let's just get back into it. So yeah, guys, the script is there. I will be doing an advert tomorrow. Sorry guys, someone's trying to call me on Facebook. So I'll be doing an advert tomorrow, and you know, that's basically going to help you guys so you're able to juice it and make and then you're able to close them using the script, okay, provided in this post. So that is about it. So let me know if you got any questions. I'll answer a few of them now, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I want to go to bed soon, I'm pretty tired. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you got any questions. Sorry, yeah, I don't know what to do because people can hear me, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you got any questions. Alright guys, I don't think anyone's got any questions, so that's okay. Links at the bottom of the YouTube. Yeah, it's in the description of the YouTube video, Ivan. Alright guys, cool. Okay, sweet. I will see you guys tomorrow. So I'll do a post tomorrow with the advert, and I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm dead. So I'll speak to you guys soon. Cheers.